What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sons to be out. You feel we back at it today with another video for y'all boys. As y'all boys can see, we is missing the hood scoop because that bit flew off the freeway like last week type shit. So you feel me? The hood scoop is gone, but the car ain't gone. You feel we had to get that bit out of the impound. You feel me? And everything is, you know, coming along together. So goddamn, we just gonna be giving y'all boys an early morning POV on my way to work, you feel me? Right now I am gassing up the cat, you feel me, because it bit stay dehydrated. So we actually, what we got? We got 33, that's enough, you feel me? If I put too much gas in here, then I'm gonna be driving all week and I'm just gonna be wasting gas. So we only gonna put 30 in that bit. Put that bit back on the machine. Put the cap back on that bit. You feel me? And we good to go. No cap. Alright, so we back in the work. Don't mind the mess, you feel me? This is a work car now, you feel me? So I got a lot of stuff just all over the place. But the car will be clean this weekend when y'all see it again. We gotta turn the copyright off. So we don't, before we don't get our money on us. Let me see, it is wet outside today, y'all, because it was raining last night. But we still gonna cut traction control off. That's the only way you supposed to be driving this car. If you can't control it in the rain, nigga, then that's a shame. No doubt. Alright, so we in the game now. We really just gonna be driving on the freeway for the most part because my drive to my job, you feel me? I can take a little roadway, but you feel me? I don't got time for it. It'll just be quicker to get on the freeway. And I also got to put my seatbelt on because I always forget. But yeah, make sure y'all boy like, comment, and subscribe before we get too far into the video, you feel me? Let's try to get this video to, let me think, 75 likes. No, 100 likes. Let's try to get this video to 100 likes, you feel me? It is the road to 15,000 subscribers. We're currently at like 12,900. You feel me? And if y'all look on my screen and it seems like I'm driving fast, I'm not. My speedometer is not correct, allegedly, okay? I just want y'all to keep that in mind. My speedometer is not correct. Even though I'm not finna cut up too crazy anyway. I need an alignment. I ain't really been able to do nothing I was supposed to be doing. I've been supposed to got an alignment for the car. That's why the steering wheel look like it's kind of crooked. You feel me? As I get my alignment, that'll be straight. And also the tires that I got on here, I don't think they balanced them when I got them. And like it kind of, it's like a little shape when you get to like high speeds and stuff. Yeah, the road too wet. I ain't gonna count. I guess I'll just talk to y'all about, you feel me, whatever. I know people keep looking at me like, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Ever since I got arrested, bro, it's like every day I get somebody who be like, "Oh, you the dude who got arrested? I knew your car looked familiar." And I be like, bro, come on now. Like, I wasn't supposed to go viral, like, getting arrested types. Well, at least in the city of Birmingham. I'm talking about, they trying to mess up my image for real. No cap. But yeah, they was like, the police said you wouldn't get your car back. Come on now. Even if the police would have took my car, I was just gonna buy another one. They ain't like goddamn shit. They was gonna have to pay the car note. I wasn't finna be paying the car note if they took my car. Oh God. Yeah, the police is funny, bro. Talking about we gonna throw some police lights on this bitch. Nah, hell. Well, nah, they could have did it. If they would have took my car, they would have bought a red eye. No doubt. I don't know. I'm saying that. I probably just bought a Hellcat and then just modded it. Another Hellcat and modded it. Like a wide body. You feel me? I know y'all boys want to see me in that wide body thing. See, look, it's back. Rainy outside, gloomy. I'm kind of waiting on it to get cold, though, for real, for real. Like, when it cold outside, bro, the car be moving, bro. It love that cold air. Get you a car that got, like, a turbo or a supercharger. That bitch gonna be eating up in the wintertime. Hopefully y'all boys ain't bored of my talking. Some of y'all say y'all like when I talk and drive, but I can't really cut up like I used to at the moment. You feel me? So we just gotta keep that bit, you feel me, calm and collected. And I still ain't forgot about the flame kit and stuff, y'all. It's still coming real soon. It just, I gotta goddamn handle some business first. And then we gonna get back to our regularly scheduled shenanigans, no cap. Now I need to go ahead and get over so I don't miss my exit. Because if I miss my exit, it's going to be a big problem. I'm trying to figure out where I can get me another hood vent from. I probably got to look on I'll probably look on the junkyard website to see if they got like a new Hellcat Challenger, or do they got a like a red eye or something, so I can go get one of them scoops. I wish I would have bought my tools with me so I could take the vent off if I find one. I know it should be, I don't know. Do they actually have like Hellcats and stuff at the junkyard? Or do they take them to Copart? I don't know. I gotta see. That's a good question. I might just have to search on their website though. The ground don't look too wet. But like I said, I'm kind of scared to drive how I want to. Because I can't crash this bit on the way to work. That's going to be too embarrassing. Sound like a Trackhawk with the seats out there, bitch. Oh God. Like them Trackhawks, they just sound, I don't know. It's a different sound though, for sure. Like a Trackhawk sound. I actually feel like Trackhawks is more louder, like when you do mid-muffler deletes and stuff. I don't know what it is about them though, but they sound good on everything. I'd rather come across Hellcat Durangos. Every Hellcat Durango I come across, they be on stock exhaust and stuff. Like, they don't have nothing done to them. Beside me right here. Oh, just a little V6. He don't want none. There go my nigga Vente. Oh, wait. Oh. talk about no more. I'm trying to think. Let me see how much money I put in the tank. I put like $35. I guess that's good enough. The gas prices, I don't know, they be different from like everywhere you go. Like people be like, bro, the gas price is so cheap in Birmingham. I'll be like, bro, what type of gas price y'all got? Niggas be like $5 a gallon and $6 and shit. I'll be like, damn, that shit crazy.